vid, I'm gonna be deriving some trends in the Southline district. So here we go. There's so much trains in the way, I really don't know where I'm going. Stick with this. Is this one long train? Damn, that's a long train, Zon. I gotta reset my character. Oh, sorry guys, my camera just flipped. I know it did that, sorry. No, I gotta pause the video because this camera's like this is not meant to be like that. So, see you soon. Okay, I'm back. And I'm getting another consist. So let's get a -9 front and just cars. Didn't ditch school if you don't believe. See for yourself. Go into your school now. Come on, train. I'll pause the video until it comes, okay? Oh, there it is, right there. Well, just about to cut it out for a little bit, but here it is. Man on DPU! Oh my god, back DPU! Back! That was awfully slow. Dang. Okay, let's go down here and see it. same exact train I saw earlier. I knew it would touch it. Stop moving. Up here, I'm at the train museum, and here's the Penn Central. Oh, there he is right there. Bud's slowing down. Yo, Bud's stopping. Dang, he actually stopped. Damn. Yeah! Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh, you kidding? I fell through the mat. Yo, where's that train? I'm in my drone trying to look. I think I see it. He's going slow. So finally, he slowed down when he started a little bit. And looks like he's gonna coast past here because it's literally a big bend that's literally a train can derail as if it goes too fast. Let me climb up here. Okay, I'm up. Oh man. I'm gonna cut the video out until he comes. Okay, I think he's closer now. So here he is. I can see. Do you see him right there, guys? Okay, he's coming through now. I have to warn people that he's coming. Oh my gosh. Bro, this is so cool. Same exact train that we saw earlier. Here's the DPU. The back engine's probably somewhere up here. Oh, sorry. Cable flipped over again. Not right. Nope, nope. There's big ones, there's small ones, and I think the back entrance is right up here. There he goes. Okay. Okay, this might be like a 12-minute, 11-minute video, so towards the end. I think we're gonna be doing a 12-minute video today. So yeah, there we go. I'm just waiting and waiting. It's not coming. Yeah, I'm also recording this at 6:30 in the morning, so don't blame me. I wake up early, like 4 or 5. It's a no school day, so I think the train should be coming here soon. Yeah, today on my other channel, I might post videos why we're riding Mark. Go check out, just search on YouTube, Garrett Park Railfan, and it would say right there, the name would be Jake Railfan number 2. I think the train's coming right now. Scott, because I'm going to ride a Mark today with my friend, but here's the train. DPU, alright. After this train, I'm going to end the video. Okay. Here's the end right here. I'm going to end the video. Very end. As soon as it goes on that corner, I'm going to end it. Okay, bye guys.